What's up, everybody? It's Rat over at Ratified Motorsport. Today we got the G80 here today. It's a good customer of ours, wanted to have us build him a car. And what we did with this one, we did the Docrace top mount turbo kit on it, the 6870 Nextgen Precision turbo. Did the reflex fueling on it, port injection with the CSF intake manifold built onto it and everything. This one we just took out to Power Cruise, performed really, really well. And you know, it's one of those deals where if you guys want to have us do another build like this for you guys, bring your ass.